Imagine having the power to heal yourself with remedies passed down through generations, right from your own home. Dr. Nicole Appelian's The Forgotten Home Apothecary is a treasure trove of natural remedies and survival tips. Inspired by her journey with multiple sclerosis, Dr. Appelian combines years of research and personal experience in this guide. This book is not just about health, it's about self-sufficiency and being prepared for emergencies. With over 250 remedies, each organized by specific ailments, you can quickly find what you need. From common colds to unique health concerns, this book covers a wide range of issues. One standout remedy is the painkiller in a jar, using wild lettuce for natural pain relief. The memory elixir, crafted with rosemary, helps improve mental clarity and memory. Mushroom drops harness the medicinal power of fungi for immune support and neurological health. Each remedy includes step-by-step instructions, visuals, and clear dosage recommendations. Most ingredients are easy to find, often already in your kitchen or nearby. Common herbs like rosemary and lavender, and everyday items like honey and salt, are frequently used. Dr. Appelian's philosophy of self-sufficiency encourages us to rely less on pharmacies and more on natural solutions. Imagine knowing how to make a natural fever reducer or flu remedy in a pinch. The book also includes bonus guides like the lost skills of the Great Depression and DIY projects for a world without electricity. Dr. Appelian's personal story and experience with chronic illness make her advice relatable and trustworthy. Her writing style is simple and easy to follow, making the book accessible to beginners. The book's structure allows for casual reading or focused searches for specific remedies. It bridges the gap between wellness and survival, making it a valuable addition to any home. Since reading the book, I've tried several remedies, like the rosemary-based memory elixir and the wild lettuce painkiller. Dr. Nicole Appelian's The Forgotten Home Apothecary is a must-have for anyone looking to take control of their health with natural remedies. Right away, it seemed like this book had so much to offer: practical remedies for everyday issues and useful survival tips, all packed into one.